Good day everyone. The objective of this video is to determine the amplitude, period, maximum and minimum values, domain and range, and intercepts of sine functions. Sine curve. Y is equal to a sine x or y is equal to sine x. A is equal to 1. A is the amplitude. Amplitude is the absolute value of A. 2 pi. 2 pi is the period or the one cycle. One cycle is equivalent to 360 degree or 2 pi. The formula of period is 2 pi over B, which is our B is 1. So let us substitute 2 pi over 1 is equal to 2 pi. That's our period. The domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity. The range is negative 1 to positive 1 or negative A, variable of A, to A. The intercepts are pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and so on. Intercepts meaning the point touches the origin. The maximum is 1, which is how high is the curve is, and the minimum is negative 1, how low is the curve. The key points at 0 to 2 pi are 0 and 0, pi over 2 and 1, pi and 0, 3 pi over 2, and negative 1, 2 pi and 0. To make it easy to understand, let us see this graph or the picture of the graph of the sine x. We can see that the amplitude is located here, which is 1. The amplitude is the distance from the x-axis going to the maximum point, or from the x-axis or the horizontal line going to the minimum point. So our amplitude again is 1, positive 1. The maximum is 1. This is how high the curve touches the graph. And the minimum is negative 1 here, located here. Our range is from negative 1 to positive 1. And our domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity. Let us use GeoGebra to graph the y sine x. So, this is the graph of y is equal to sine x. Y is equal to sine x, or the sine x touches the origin here. Let us proceed in how to get the key points. Let us use the live board. Key points. So the key points are, or in finding the key points, we divide the 2 pi by 4. 2 pi. 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree divided by 4 is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree is equals 180 degree. Plus 90 degree is 270 degree. 270 degree plus 90 degree is 360 degree. Or pi over 2. Pi over 2 is 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, or pi plus 90 degree is equal to 270 degree, or 3 pi over 2 plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree, or 2 pi. Again, pi over 2 is 90, pi is 180 degree, 3 pi over 2 is 270 degree, and the one complete rotation is 2 pi or 360 degree. Let us see these key points. Or now, the key points are 2 pi, pi over 2 and 1, pi and 0, 3 pi over 2 and negative 1, 2 pi and 0. Let us see this from the graph or in GeoGebra. Okay, so the first is pi and pi over 2 and 1. Pi over 2 and 1. This is pi over 2 and 1. So, this first key point. And pi and 0. This is pi and it touches the 0. And 3 pi over 2 and negative 1. 3 pi over 2 and negative 1. And 2 pi and 0. The period is from 0 here, 0 to 2 pi. So that is for the properties of sine curve in finding the amplitude, maximum, minimum, the period, the intercepts, range, and the domain. Thank you, and once again, good day.